Former Vice President Victor Bokarifo's name has been mentioned in an alleged fraudulent matter presently before the magistrate court at York. The matter also involved one Alhaji Idris Toure, who was said to have collected over 45,000 United States dollars from one Teresa Safa, the complainant, with false pretense of facilitating overseas travel opportunities for 6 people. The defendant Alhaji Idris Toure appeared before Magistrate Solomon Kekua at the York Magistrate Court. Our court reporter Mohammed Koma was in court.
While testifying in court, prosecution witness Sub-Inspector Hassan Kagbo, attached as CID headquarters, said he was on duty when the complainant Teresa Safa made a report against the defendant Alhaji Idris Toure for defrauding her of over 45,000 United States dollars. He said he obtained statement from the complainant and a witness. He added that sometime in March this year, he together with other police officers went to the residence of the defendant, but he was not around. He said they later invited the wife of former Vice President Fo, Mrs. Jonta Fo, who was said to be a relative of the defendant Alhaji Idris Toure. Sub-Inspector Kagbo added that Mrs. Fo said she called the defendant to meet her at her residence and told them to be on the alert. He said when they arrived, Mrs. Fo told them that the defendant came, but he later escaped when he was confronted with the allegation. The defendant was later arrested in Bo. Further information revealed in court that the defendant Alhaji Idris Toure claimed that he gave former Vice President Victor Fo 25,000 United States dollars of the total of 45,390 United States dollars and removed 15,000 United States dollars in order to facilitate documentation. It was also revealed that VP Fo's wife, Mrs. Jonta Fo, also paid 10,000 United States dollars, which was given to her by the defendant, but it remains unclear for what and to whom the said money was paid, even though there were speculations that the money was either a condolence purse or it was paid on behalf of a co-suspect at the time of the investigation. While cross-examining the prosecution with defense lawyer Anthony Freeman inquired why the former vice president was not investigated, Sub-Inspector Kagbo said former VP Fo was not in the country, but they obtained statement from his wife. The defense lawyer further inquired whether the witness knew that the former vice president went to the CID headquarters. He replied that that was what his line manager told him. Having heard the cross-examination by the defense lawyer, Magistrate Solomon Kekua suggested that the defense lawyer bring the former vice president's wife to court to get more clarifications on the matter. The defense lawyer said his claimant had 5,000 United States dollars to give to the complainant as part payment, but the magistrate told him to engage the complainant on that, stating that he could not sit as a trier of fact and a mediator at the same time. For SLBC, Mohammed Kouma reporting.